bakery display case. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 47¼ inches, a depth of 27 inches. 27 inches applies from the back towards the front of the bottom cover, and the height 47½ inches tall. Height for the bottom cover, we have 20½ inches tall. Coming to the front of the showcase are two shelves. The shelves on the top and bottom can be adjusted to the height of your preference. Back of the bakery case are the left and right slide doors, and the measurements for each shelf will include 12¼ inches for the top shelf, 14¼ inches for the bottom shelf. With 43 inches in length applying for the top and bottom shelf. 23 inches applies from the bottom towards the top of the LED strip that runs along the top door track. Coming to the bottom of the bakery case, we have the temperature control along with the power switch, the e-tail certification, along with the 110/120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.